Hey Fit Queen! So welcome back to another home workout with DejaFit, the best YouTube channel for at-home workouts. Today's workout, we're going to be working on this lower ab FUPA area right here. So if you have a problem area right here, you're looking for some really great ab workouts to tone this area here that are beginner friendly, make sure you tune in for the entire video. This workout is going to be 15 minutes, okay? 15 minutes. We're going to start with some core on the floor, and then we're going to finish off with a little bit of core cardio to really burn some calories. So ladies, if you're looking for a great tasting whey protein, make sure you head to herneutralife.com and get you some of our chocolate protein, chocolate milkshake protein, and our vanilla milkshake protein. We also have a great pre-workout as well, and also really good fat loss support. This is going to give you that focus, and it's going to give you that appetite suppression to really just kill those weight loss goals. Hey guys, so let's get started. We're going to start with a seated bicycle crunch. So you're going to sit back with on your heels like this, hands behind your head, knee to elbow. Let's go. 30 seconds. Make sure you slow this down. This is a slow and controlled move. Also, make sure your knees are spread apart. You don't want your knees too close together. You want to actually reach over and grab, or reach over and touch that knee to the elbow. Make sure you're leaning back, keeping that core tight. And rest. Okay, next exercise, you're gonna lie on your back, okay? Lie on your back. What we're gonna do, your legs are gonna be bent at a 90-degree angle like this. We're gonna extend one leg out and bring it back. Let's go. 30 seconds, slow and controlled, okay? Try not to get that heel to touch the ground if you can, keeping your core tight. Also, make sure you tuck your chin. I forgot that part too. Tuck your chin. This is going to engage the core a little bit more. 5 seconds here. And rest. All right, the next exercise is going to be mountain climbers, but we're going to slow these mountain climbers down. So we're not going to do fast mountain climbers. We're going to slow it down and really engage that core. So you're gonna get down here. Let's go. Reach over and touch that opposite elbow. Slow it down. 1 and 2. Nice and slow. This is really gonna engage that core. Keep it up, ladies. Keep that butt down. No booties in the air. No booties in the air. Bring that booty down. Woo! Rest. Woo! Okay, next. Now we're just gonna hold a plank for 30 seconds, okay? Just a regular plank on our hands. Let's go. You're gonna keep that butt down. Make sure you're breathing. You're breathing, ladies. Almost there. Woo. Woo. All right. So that is the first circuit. We're gonna do that circuit, I believe, 3 more times. Okay, so we're gonna, no, 2 more times. We're gonna do that circuit 2 more times. So right now we have a 30-second break. Catch your breath, take a sip of water. We're gonna do that again, okay? Whew. I really feel that in my lower abs right here. Like, this area right here is burning, okay? All right, we're starting back in 10 seconds, you guys, with those seated bicycles. So everybody down, let's go. 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. Make sure you're reaching over, grabbing that knee. Keep that core tight the entire time. This is time under tension. This is how to really strengthen that core.
Didn't even notice that it rained all summer. When we should stop, we go further.
3 seconds. And rest. Whew. All right, leg extension. So we are down on our backs. Winter, don't come over here now. I'm working. Ready? Let's go. Tuck that chin down. Winter, don't come over here. My dog wants to get in on the action. Winter, you gotta move. Whew. Keep that core tight, ladies. Tuck that chin. Nice and slow. You okay, girl? Whew. Winter, do not lick my face right now. 3, 2, and 1. Rest. All right, get ready for those mountain climbers. Winter, go get in your bed. Mountain climbers, slow down mountain climbers, starting in 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. Go at your own pace. Just keep that core engaged the entire time. This is how you really strengthen that area. Strengthen those FUPA muscles. Get a tight, strong core. This is how you do it, ladies. And rest. Whew, okay. Planks, you guys, regular old planks. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. We're right here. Make sure that butt is down. Now, if you need to modify this, what you would do, you're gonna put your knees on the ground, okay? And hold it here, or you can alternate, kind of go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you're doing it this way, make sure your booty ain't up like this. You want to curl that tailbone into your core. Keep that core tight. Rest. Woo! All right, that was round 2. We got one more round of this, and then we're going into our next circuit. So keep in mind, this is a short 15-minute core workout. So this will go 30-second break. This will go hand in hand with another workout. So you want to do this 15-minute workout after you've done like a full body workout or maybe some cardio, a leg workout. This is not like one whole workout because it's only 15 minutes, okay? So you got to give me at least 30 to 45-minute workout, okay? Woo! So if you're doing this is your first workout, make sure you do something else after this, okay? All right, back to those bicycles. Let's go. 30 seconds. Let's go. Slow it down. Engage that core. Keep breathing. Push through. 5 seconds. Woo! Rest. Woo! Okay, leg extensions. Lie down on your back. Curl that head in. Keep your knees at a 90-degree angle. And let's go. We go down and up. Knees stay right here. Nice and smooth. Curl that tailbone. Curl your chin into your chest. Engage that core. Woo! You should be feeling that burn right about now. Because I know I do. Woo! 3 seconds. Whew. My stomach is on fire right now. Okay. Mountain climbers, you guys. Let's go. We're starting in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Slow it down. Butts down. You can do it, ladies. I have faith in you. Five seconds. Woo. All right, planks. Let's get it. Planks. Woo. Let's go. 3, 2, and 1. Planks. Let's plank it out, ladies. Keep that booty down. Woo. About 10 seconds. All right. Oh, man. My core is on fire. All right, so the second half of this workout, we're actually gonna do an AMRAP. For the second half of this exercise, we're gonna do an AMRAP. We're gonna do a 3-minute AMRAP. Yes. We're gonna do a 3-minute AMRAP, okay? So, what an AMRAP is, stands for as many reps as possible. So, we're gonna give you 3 exercises for 3 minutes. You're gonna just run through those 3 exercises for the whole 3 minutes, no break. So, first exercise is high knees. You're gonna give me 20 high knees. So, 1 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way up to 20. Then you're gonna give me 20 standing abs. So we're here. Reach over 1, 2, all the way up to 20. Okay? Then we're gonna do 20 jump ropes. So we're gonna pretend like we have jump ropes and we're gonna jump. So 20, 20, 20. What are you doing? So we're digging. So we're starting this AMRAP in 10 seconds, y'all. 10 seconds. We're starting this 3-minute AMRAP. 3, 2, and 1. High knees, let's go. I forgot to count, but I'm gonna start counting. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I forgot to count. All right, standing abs, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 jump ropes, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, so we're gonna do that whole thing again. We got 2 minutes left. High knees, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Woo! Abs, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Woo! Jump ropes, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, y'all, we got 1 more minute. High knees, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Lord, help me right now. Let's go. 1, 2. If you're tired just from watching me, go ahead and drop a like. Double tap the screen. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Jump ropes, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 30 seconds. Let's try to do a little bit more. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Woo! 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I'm gonna finish. 17, 18, 19, 20. Whew. That was your 15-minute FUPA workout. Whew. Your girl is sweating. Whew. Lord, y'all got me tired today. Okay. Ooh, I hope you guys enjoyed that workout. Make sure to subscribe to this channel if you want more live workouts. I post workouts every day. So make sure you guys tune in, subscribe, drop a comment down below if you're gonna try this workout or if you were doing this workout with me, okay? I am so tired. Whew. All right, ladies. I will catch you guys on the next one. See you later. Bye-bye.
I thought I looked smooth in your eyes and tried to make a move.